Transportation and travel tickets. Milan is served by 3 airports. The most important one is Milan Malpensa Airport, the nearby Milan Line 8 Airport, and Orio al Sirios Airport, located in the province of Bergamo. The best option to reach Milan from Milan Malpensa Airport is undoubtedly the Malpensa Express, easily accessible following the signs in the airport from Terminals 1 and 2. At a cost of €13, you can reach Milan Centrale or Milan Cadorna, near the Sforzesco Castle. Another option you can consider is taking the bus. You will easily find the bus stops at both terminals. In about an hour, at a cost of €10, you will arrive at Milan Centrale. Arriving at Milan Line 8 Airport is very convenient. Thanks to the brand new M4 subway line, you will be in the city center in just over 12 minutes, spending very little. Outside Gate 6, you will find other options. To the right is the public bus stop, which is almost useless both because it doesn't reach the center of Milan and because it's less convenient than the subway. Opposite, you'll find the Airport Bus Express, which can get you to Milan Centrale in just 30 minutes for only €5. On the left, the taxi stands with an average fare to Milan Centrale between €40 and €50. To get to Milan from Orio al Sirios Airport, the only option I recommend is taking the bus. The cost is always €10 for about an hour's journey. Considering the distance, a taxi ride would be really expensive, and the nearest train station, Bergamo, is about 4 kilometers away. Depending on the duration of your stay and the frequency of public transport use, you can purchase the following travel tickets. Single ticket, valid for 90 minutes at a cost of €2.20. 24-hour pass, priced at €7.60. Actually, with both of these options, you can easily pay with your contactless bank card. The system will recognize the same payment method and won't charge more than the cost of the 24-hour pass without any additional fees. 3-day ticket, cost of €13. Carnet of 10 journeys, price of €19.50. All these tickets are available through the official app and at all authorized retailers such as bars, newsstands, and tobacco shops. Moreover, there are vending machines in subway and elevated stations. Another interesting option is the Yes Milano City Pass, which, in addition to offering complete access to Milan's public transport for 3 consecutive days, provides free access to numerous attractions in the city. The pass can only be purchased online or through the app. Finally, here are 3 useful pieces of information. Remember to validate the ticket at the beginning of the journey and at each change of transport. Children under 14 travel for free. On the official ATM website, you can search for bus routes and consult the updated map of the expanding subway. Ending notes.